Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix the AIB app freezing. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely, wait for a few hours and reopen it. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause the apps to freeze. Next, restart your phone. Restarting helps clear temporary system problems that may affect the app's performance. Then, if the app still continues to freeze, long press on the app icon, remove app, delete app, then delete the app. After deleting it, reinstall it from the App Store and then reopen it. This removes corrupted files that may cause the issue. After reinstall it, log in again and check if the app works normally. That's how you fix the AIB app freezing. Subscribe for more easy tutorials.